If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more home improvement tips and tricks.
Today, we're diving into affordable kitchen remodel ideas that can transform your cooking space without breaking the bank.
First up, replace your cabinet hardware. This is one of the simplest and most cost-effective ways to give your kitchen a fresh look. Just pick out some modern handles or knobs that match your kitchen style, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes.
Next, consider updating your kitchen tap.
A sleek, new tap can enhance both the look and functionality of your kitchen, whether you prefer a high-arc model for filling large pots or a pull-down sprayer for easier cleaning. There's a wide range of affordable options available.
For a touch of elegance and better visibility, add under-cabinet lighting. It's an easy DIY project that can be done in a few hours.
LED strip lights are a great choice.
They're energy efficient, long-lasting, and can be installed with adhesive backing.
If you have the space, installing a kitchen island can add both functionality and style to your kitchen.
You don't need to invest in a custom-built island. There are plenty of affordable, ready-to-assemble options that provide extra counter space and storage.
Finally, consider adding pull-out cabinets to your kitchen. This upgrade can maximize your storage space and make it easier to access items. These pull-out cabinets are perfect for pots, pans, and pantry items, making your kitchen more organized and efficient. And there you have it, 5 affordable kitchen remodel ideas that can make a big impact without a hefty price tag. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement tips.